So my kid peed all over my laptop, and it's laying on its side right there. I can't power it off. Holding the power button does nothing. You guys actually may be able to hear the fans. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But she's dead. So there goes like a $3,000 MacBook Pro, and it might be a while before we get a replacement in. I am sending it off for repairs. I just finished filling that stuff out, and supposedly the turnaround time is between 8 and 10 business days. So I guess no video until it's repaired or replaced, whatever happens. And until then, see you guys next time.